A few people have been wondering how fast the best choice car goes with the 20 volt Dewalt upgrade into it. So I recorded her driving around today. So this is towards the end of the battery. It still has quite a bit of juice, but by the end of the video it does die. It moves pretty good. It takes the hills really well. She likes running into people, or trying to, which at the speed that it goes, it's not very hard. Runtime is probably 20 minutes if she drives it constantly. We have two batteries that we swap out. We charge one while she's running the other, and after she stops and starts, she can normally just swap out to the new battery. So I'll let you watch the rest of it so that you guys can see exactly how fast it goes, so you can be a little more informed if you decide to make a purchase on this. Like always, there is a link in the description to the 20 volt Dewalt upgrade as well as this exact car.